Oh my god. So the solar events are just... Yeah, voice crash. Get over it. Okay, buddy. I mean... You know what? It's hard enough as it is to do normal shit. I mean... Give me the shell. Give me your replete the thingy shell. Good, have no use. Damn it. Looking for an underground mushroom view. Damn it. Damn it. Thing is, I don't know. They look like there. I would take the underground path. I'm gonna show you why in a second. Up a bit. Yeah, I was AFK on the other world, trying my hardest at a crimson key. Because, unfortunately, well, I need the godly vampire knives. That's the only like, real guarantee of life for me. Emeralds, topaz, and continue. Because, holy shit, you never stop making noise, do you? Whack, whack, whack. Die. Thank you. I'm under the... The other thing is, as soon as I hit a certain mark, you get bombarded with like alien thingies. Annoying. I kind of brought it on myself because I didn't know what I was getting into, and it's gonna take a bit for me to fix this mess. First off, I have to kill everything. Yeah, everything. I believe. Correct. So, I mean, like... Oh, a strange plant. Shouldn't have. I'm sorry, I'm lost. The only reason I'm doing this is so I can actually get a truffle to move in. Because I'm gonna go to the jungle. Wait, you're below me. Okay. Another spot there as well. Oh god damn. Glowing mush. Seeds, man. Seeds. There's seed. Okay. Mushroom. Booms. I don't know how to get the dark blue solution, which is the glowing mushroom. Well, that's a lie. I have some. in, you know, the guide world, right? When I used to do those guides and, you know, the ultimate setup. And I want to talk about that, actually, by the way. Because I actually had one comment. No, I didn't have one comment on the video. I don't think. I was looking at the comments. Because I do. And it said, why would you use... I forget who said it. And somebody asked me, why would you use the tac shotgun over the... excuse me. Over the sniper rifle. Because, those of you who don't know, sniper rifle is the highest damaging, well, gun, ranged weapon in the game. And I didn't respond to this because somebody in the comments actually got to it for me. And it's not because I didn't use it because it was I didn't like it or anything along those lines. It's just that when you think about how low the fire rate is and how much faster other weapons are, it's a lot more efficient to use things that you like. For instance, if you, and I know that makes no sense, but listen. For instance, if you do like the sniper rifle and you just like one-shotting everything, but you're not going to one-shot everything with the sniper rifle, even though it is the capabilities are definitely there. I personally prefer the tac shotgun because I deal with mobs, or yeah, mobs of mobs, a lot more than I'd say anybody I know, as I'm usually the one that's diving. Yeah, I'm gonna use the word diving into bad situations. Die. I don't need you. So it's kind of, I wouldn't say bad, but it's not useful right now, at least, to use sniper rifle. And that's not to say I haven't used the sniper rifle. The sniper rifle, I use it a lot, and you would know if I recorded every moment of me playing this game. But I don't, because I don't want to bore you, and I don't want you guys to hate me. So that's why the demonic one. I'm surprised the demonic one has the same melee damage as godly one. What's the best multiplier for the godly, or best multiplier for the possessed hatchet? Does anyone know? Also, I got this thing. This hurts people a lot, but I still prefer my godly gun. I'm gonna keep that just because I have darts on me. Everything else go in. Could kill the twins. To be honest, I don't know what that's used for. Honestly, well, that's all I do. I just make the ting. Pause it. I just have to pay attention to my mushroom grass seeds. When I... That means I have... Yes. Go. Wait, what? Where's my strange? Okay, there it is. Ocean. What the? Why you? Why? Okay. So my inventory is cleaned up a little bit. It's not done being cleaned up. And I'm sorry you have to watch this boring part. It's kind of a break from all the jam-packed action DD stuff. Tingy. Just don't listen to me today. I'm not exactly thinking straight, I guess. Not that I'm crazy, I'm just tired. Very tired, because it's not that I didn't sleep. It's not that I don't sleep, really. It's, you know your bed is comfortable, right? And you enjoy sleeping in your bed. but once you go to bed, you cannot get up for the life of you. That's my problem. If I go to bed, I'm not getting up. Just don't bother me if I go to bed. But that's the thing. I like sleeping. Stuff. Oh my god, that cleaned my up. Okay, so next, I actually wanted to go do something. Yeah, I did turn Gore off. Yeah. I was checking because I had to change a couple things. What's with the set? Yep. Okay. Oh god, no, go away. No one wants yet. How are you defying gravity, man? And how come I can't? Oh. What? I don't know what I started. Solar pillar. I can fly directly through it without hurting myself. I'm just outrunning it. I am in. Okay, that looked like it would have hurt if it was. Those are actual tags. I mean, I am not ready for this. I need my godly vampire knives. Not gonna end well. Oh god, that hurts my eyes. Make it stop. I've already dealt with you guys. I know you're freaking good. I thought there was only one and it would like change, like next night would do the next apocalyptic situation stuff. Not okay. Yep, we're going inside. Thank you. Good day, sir. I'm gonna get attacked by this camera lighting right now. I have to say I like it because why are you attacking me? Is everything in Terraria trying to murder me? And if so, I don't need this shit. Damn it, you offer me nothing. You're useless. Okay. Bone wand. I got my own wand and never mind. I will not make this video a bunch of inappropriate jokes. But to be fair, I probably could if I wanted. Correct. They're gonna spawn better here, actually. Up there. Just add it with screw this perfect layout shit here. Break that. You have to die, Mr. Necromancer. Man. I could pretty much just run around. Where's the fun in that? I wish I want to find, though, the only thing is, I want to find the perfect area to set a farm up. And so far, going, okay then, where is my friend, Mr. Bone Lee? This sounds dirty, but okay. Where are you? My friend, I need to murder you and take your belt, because that is part of my ninja gear, and it is extremely useful for my next endeavor, which definitely probably gonna be fish rod, because don't know, really. I mean, why not? Need his wings. Farm his ass. Might as bloody well, right? Correct. Dead. Why does it make that effect? It keeps on making me think that there's gonna be a bloody... Don't try it! I've died to you too many times when I was alone. Wait till I can hit you. Come on. Stop being a cheating little shit and come here and face me. Thank you. You're not good when I can actually hit you. Oh god, die freaking. Oh. Mad. Get out of my way so I can murder your friend. Ectoplasm. Thank you. Close, one step closer to Spectre armor. Pirates are approaching from the west. I don't need this. Nothing is good. This world went to crap so fast. Should definitely done my research. Oh my god. Ow. There's Bonely. Oh, buddy. It's been too long, sir. There we go. Right there. You're gonna die. Wrecked. Give me your shit. What? Am I not allowed to say? Oh, yes, it was here. Pirates arrived. Oh my god, the pirates. Skeleton Commando. Don't you dare shoot at me from that close. I will lose it. You stand right here. And god damn it. Jesus Christ. Really? You had a 3 wide hole. I just don't know the proper place to make a dungeon farm. I mean, I know that I made a video on it, so I technically should know how. Ow. Jesus, you are the luckiest of angle, my friend. You angle very much so. Die? Going to. Like you. It's... Thing is, though, when I made that, I went to, like, 5 or so worlds and tried to get the best world spawn that I could in order to make this farm. So, that's the only thing. So, I mean, this is a pretty good spot to farm because they don't have anywhere to go. But it's also hectic because they... I need to clean this area up. That's the first and foremost here. So let's do that now. I'm not leaving until Bonely gives me that mother... Oh my, that's the thing as well. I can't even do anything, because once I go home... Well, I'm not going home for a bit until... That's what I need. It's not gonna help me. Still need it. That's the thing. I want to have an area that can... Ooh, I know what I could do. Zealous Kraken. What? You have no hang time? Out there. Second. Yeah, I need to indulge. There. Okay. You're not bad. You decent. Not like you're not worth anything. Even though I kinda have a god hit on right now. I know exactly what Oh no. If you dare shoot that... That's the one mob. Damn. And are they called mobs or just monsters? I mean, yeah, they're monsters and mobs, same thing. They are. I cry every time. Thing is, okay. Ooh, I get a sniper. Sick. Come on, please be nice. Damn it. I think. It's all based on practice, by the way. I just have to add that in. It's all based on luck with world generation. This is not helping me. Another sniper. And a necro. And so. Dude, the Shadow Beam staff wouldn't be a bad touch either. Especially with the mage setup. Thing is with that is I still think Spectre, personally, sorry for unpopular opinions, but I still think Spectre is a better mage setup. To be fair, I have not used the newest, because obviously this is literally what you see now. This is as far as I've gotten ever since the new update. That's the thing. So I haven't used it, but just by like looking at it, because the only okay, speed hacks. Okay, buddy, calm your shit. Oh, there's a ton of them. Oh, Mr. Ectoplasmy guy. Actually, that would be cool to have just a dungeon soul just following you around everywhere. That would be. Then again, that's why you have the wisp in a bottle, which I have like 8 of on my tutorial world, which is beautiful. And if I did not show you, I kinda screwed up that dungeon. I mean, I won't be going back. And the spikes. Come on. You can do it. Let me upgrade these wings. These wings have spooky wings. Technically, are the next best. Other than the fish rod wings and then the new wings. Again, haven't used them. Don't hate me. Manu. I think we should probably end the episode. Smoothing it out for our mob buddies. Want them to comfortable when I murder them. You know, just be friendly, right? If anyone comes up behind me while I'm not looking, a bat? Really? Not even like a dungeon bat. Is that a thing? Dungeon bat's a thing. Hope you're dead. What I mean by that. Dead. It is gonna annoy the crap out of me. Get wrecked. Wreck. Okay. The only thing is, don't really change the natural layout of the dungeon, because not be happy. Especially if you actually screw up spawning. Then, you get 2 options. Prepare it to the best of your ability, which doesn't work, sorry to break it to you. Or, get a new world. Usually, for me, it was get a new world, which then again wasn't a bad thing, because I did do everything on that world, so it was a nice break, so yeah, making a new world isn't always a bad thing. Go away. Yo, what? Another Kraken. Why? I don't need it. What is the use for this Kraken? It just seem useless. Not very bad. Yeah, I love the best hatchets. You know, I think the only weapon I like more, based on no other reason other than crowd control, probably. And I know it's not as good, definitely not, but personal favorites are personal favorites. You can't change that, except if they want to. And ooh, where was I going with that? I have no clue. Only, my friend, you're not allowed down up here. Get the hell out. Ectoplasmic awesomeness. Where's Peter Potter? Yeah, boy. I'm sorry, that's my favorite thing to do. Boom. Oh, I love it. It's amazing. I love it. I just love it. Is it got a dye on it right now? Oh, I got the reflective dye. I prefer this too much. Yeah! Turn up. So now I got light. So, yeah. Awesome! What else did I get? Ectoplasm. Give me that rocket launcher, man. Give it to me. Just give it to me. You didn't give it to me. You know what I need here? I was just thinking about what this was missing, and I will do probably gonna be a bit of an extension episode because I love you guys. No, because whoa, that sounded mean. I do love you guys, just I don't know where I was going. Again, sorry. I'm kinda where those who don't know what I'm looking at and think I'm a crazy mother blank, which kinda am. I'm looking for this. Mr. Water Candle. Oh, here it is. It's up here. Is we right there. No. And the reason for that is so that mother truckers can spawn. Mando. Okay. So, I mean, yeah, dungeon farms come in all shapes and sizes. I might have to do my dungeon farm, like a tour kind of, just to give you guys like an idea. Maybe if you need one. If you don't, you know, I'm not gonna force my opinions on you. I have no reason to. Oh no. There's trying to long shot me, buddy. Are you stuck? Dead now, but I don't know, man. I think this has been a pretty good episode. No, you know, real problems other than the fact there's a pirate invasion going on in the background of an eclipse. Don't even know what the proper name for this is. But this series is actually coming to a close, believe it or not, in terms of events. We only got a few left. And most of them, actually 2 of them, no, 3. Some I have to start, some start by themselves. I'm waiting for that solar eclipse still. I want that hero sword. Because the sooner I get that Terra Blade, the sooner I will be happy with this, you know, thing. Don't know, again. I get distracted really easily. Throw that out there for those who wonder why I can't hold a conversation right now. That, and I have a TV. My TV is going in the background. My TV is going in the background. My TV's on, and I'm watching. Okay. Copyright is on. Not even watching it. It's kind of just picture because I had to mute it because my mic picks everything up. Literally? What am I gonna do? Sorry, distracted. That's gonna be the end of the episode. I will continue this episode. Oh god, there's a paladin! No, please! Unless you want to give me that frickin', you know, that shield though. Oh no, piss off. Are you kidding me? You are gonna drive me nuts, Medusa. You have to die. Holy crap, how many friggin' paladins are down there? Oh, just one. It's not a thing. Also, stay out of my way. I'm fighting him, and I am... The paladin is one of the only mobs that kills me in the dungeon. Kill this mother... die! Thank you! Oh god, I don't even care you didn't drop anything. You need to die. You spawn down there. You friggin' see a flying hammer coming to work. Are you happy? Yeah, so I'll talk to you next episode. Please, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bone Lee, give me your bloody belt, mate. Fine, don't. Love you guys. Again, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.